It's again another pleasure for me to introduce a friend, as well as a tobacco warrior and someone who is there in the tobacco control circle for many years, Dr. Lalit Ranjan Pathak. He is a state nodal officer for NCD as well as tobacco control. The NCD program comprises of many programs, and one of them being the National Tobacco Control Program. He has 30 years of experience in the Government Health Department of Jharkhand. At present, the State Nodal Officer for the NCD, looking after these various programs, all related to the NCD. He's also responsible for the telemedicine and ban on sale and consumption of any kind of tobacco products and spitting in public places during the COVID-19 pandemic. And he's also one instrumental for ban of 11 types of pan masala containing magnesium carbonate. Dr. Lalit, this is really an achievement for the country. I know how hard you and your team must have worked with various departments to get this done. So all my congratulations and best wishes to you for the future endeavors. And Dr. Lalit, the virtual platform is yours now.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, yes.
Thank you once again, sir. And this is a pleasure to share this platform with you. And I congratulate the organizers for such an innovation during these COVID periods and maintaining the social distancing. And I think such webinars are to stay for a long time till the COVID pandemic ends. So, talking about Jharkhand, we started way back in 2008-9 with pilot for tobacco control in Dhanbad and East Singhbhum districts. Later, 3 districts were added: Bokaro, Ranchi, and Dumka. In 16-17, 9 more districts were added, and at present, all the 24 districts are implementing this program. Regarding the advancement of tobacco control in Jharkhand, I have to state that being a part of Bihar at one time, the tobacco prevalence is mainly regarding the smokeless tobacco, just like Bihar. As same as Bihar, most of the tobacco users here in Jharkhand are addicted to smokeless tobaccos like chewing tobacco, use of jarda with betel leaves that we call pan, also use of gutka, pan masala, use of gul and gudaku for brushing their teeth. These are also tobacco products. Coming to the GATT survey, we see that there was a reduction in prevalence from 50.1% to 38.9%. Smokeless tobacco users also reduced from 47.9 to 35.4, and the smoking showed a little increase, but as such it is low here in Jharkhand. Next slide. Next slide, please. Coming to the institutional structure of the National Tobacco Control Program, at state level we have the STCCC under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary. At district levels we have Tobacco Control Coordination Committees headed by Deputy Commissioners. At block level we have Block Tobacco Control Coordination Committees chaired by the Block Development Officers. We have also constituted flying squads at various levels, at state level, at district level, at subdivision and block levels. In all the 24 districts, it has been done. Next slide. The major steps that are taken by various departments, I'd like to highlight those. Next. From the health department, notifications for nodal officers for tobacco control have been done for all the 24 districts. The chalaning mechanism has been set up in the state for enforcement of Code 2003. Challan money receipt books have been printed and distributed at district levels. Flying squads have been constituted at all the levels. One major thing that we had done was a provision of sale of loose cigarettes in the state of Jharkhand. Next. Then there was notifications issued for the authorized officers for the enforcement of section 4, 5, 6 and 7 for CODPA 2003. CODPA 2003 was uploaded in the district websites, and the national toll-free numbers for reporting tobacco law violation were uploaded in the official websites in the NHM and also in the district websites. Orders were issued for target-based enforcement drive by districts, subdivision and block flying squads, and by the police stations on weekly basis. There was a ban on e-cigarettes. All government offices were declared as tobacco-free zone. Tobacco-free signages were displayed in all the government schools and educational institutions. There was a ban on spitting in public places. That was done recently during the COVID periods. We had also banned the use and sale of tobacco products, which is still continuing. I hope till the 31st. Apart from that, during this period, we also banned 11 brands of pan masala, which were found to be containing magnesium carbonate. Next. From the police department, the CODPA 2003 has been included as an agenda in the monthly crime review meetings by the Jharkhand Police. ADG CID has been appointed as nodal officer for tobacco control laws. Head constables have been notified for section 4 and 6 of CODPA. This has been done. Order has been issued by ADJ police to all SSPs and SP, including railway, for providing police force during the raids. Next. From the finance side, a separate head has been provided for depositing the amounts collected as fine under different sections of CODPA 2003. Then regarding the commercial tax, it is not important now, but we had introduced 5% VAT on BDs, but now GST has come up, so it is taxed under the GST. Regarding education department, we have issued education department has issued necessary orders, directions to all the district education officer for enforcement of different sections of CODPA in all educational institutions, and revised guidelines of tobacco-free educational institutions have been sent. Chapters related to tobacco control have been added in the school books. So during elections, the polling booths are declared as tobacco-free. Then by the Urban Development Department, vendor licensing has been made mandatory for selling tobacco. So these are the major initiatives that we have taken in Jharkhand. Then out of 24 districts, in 23 districts, we have established our TCCs, tobacco cessation centers. Apart from that, we have also established TCCs in Bokaro General Hospital, which is a PSU, and also in RIMS Dental College at Ranchi. TCC has been established in collaboration with NPCP. And enforcement drives are being carried out till we started quite late, that is around January, February 2017, and collections to around 4 lakhs have been, more than 4 lakhs have been done, and more than 3,000 persons have been fined. So these are the things that we have done in Jharkhand. Next. So this is what are the achievements of Jharkhand, and I would like to end my presentation by saying that take good care of your body, for it is the only place we have to live in. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Pathak. I think this was a very nice presentation from the state of Jharkhand. What is very noticeable and what other state government can also have a look is how the institutional mechanism has happened in Jharkhand. We all have many facets of tobacco control program. Some of them are easy to do, but not very effective, but all the more important. But there are some of the hard-hitting activities which we need to take if we want to make some difference in the country. So Jharkhand is one of those few states which in the last few years has taken a lot of great steps, and all congratulations to the entire government, entire team of Dr. Lalit and other partners like Deepak Mishra of Seeds working with you. We would like to congratulate